Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, please. The Kate Powell and Elena Powell. Yeah, go back to these stools, girls. Go back to these stools. You're fine up there. Judges, Amy.
Yeah, from everything I've watched, that was by far the best performance of the night. You both have grown, but you're a lot stronger when you're singing, with the chest. And you, where the hell, my goodness, Kate, that voice, fab girls, absolutely amazing. Well done.
Thank you, Amy. Bella.
You smashed that. That was absolutely brilliant. Your voice have just gone, your chest voice, when you hit those notes, and you, I'm not a belter, I'm not, where did that come from? You were absolutely fantastic, well done.
Thank you, Bella. Yeah.
I loved the way you both connected then, that was amazing. You blew me away. You put chills all up I don't know where it is, the left on effect, but the right just gets all chills up there. So stay on the right side of me, get it? Elena, for me, you can sing, I think you can sing anything. You can take a song, you make it Elena's version. Kate, you was in season 2, we've seen the soft, beautiful, you come so far, but I think season 3 is going to see a different Kate Farmer. Well done.
Thank you, Nicola. Tony.
Yeah, girls, honestly, I couldn't be more prouder right now. This whole idea of putting battle rounds in a competition doesn't normally work, hence why competitions don't do it. But that just proved what I was thinking. I mean, you two should not be in the same genre of music. You're two completely different style singers, and to come out and do that as an whole, that was, I just couldn't believe it. Unbelievable, girls. I just got to say another thing. I generally think that you two could go all the way this season after that.
Thank you, Tony. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, please. The Kate Powell.